What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this multi-time frame forecast. We're going to be going over Euro NZ. Now, I'm going to be cleaning this up a bit. We've already marked this one up in the past. It's still really valid at this moment, so let's actually go down to a weekly. Maybe we can get a better look at this. Uh, no, it actually hit our stop loss. That's okay. But the concept is still valid. We're still teetering within this range of this descending trend line, so it could potentially still be valid. However, as you can see here, look at just real quick. I want to highlight something. So we had talked about how this area was structure, and structure usually turns it transitions, right? So if it's support, usually turns resistance, and vice versa. So you can see here resistance turns support, turns support. Now you can see here was support, and we broke through. I said that this area was likely going to be an area of support, and we could look for some buying opportunities. And boom, that's what happened. But because this area was previously support, it turned resistance right here, and that's exactly what happened. So it just went back down. However, we also broke past this descending trend line, and that is a good indication that we might be seeing some more downward momentum. And in this instance, we're just going to be looking for some opportunities for us to get in on moving forward. So what do we have going on here? Now we have two opportunities based on what price is going to do. So let's actually delete some of this stuff. We can see that we are treating this previous fib extension on the daily time frame um, as resistance. Right here, we got a candle coming up, and we had a nice doji candle here. We had another candle come up beyond, but the wick didn't make it. It went back low, didn't have enough momentum to come back down, so now it's stuck at a doji. These dojis in a row, in addition to structure in this trend line, are telling us that there's a lot of indecision in the market. So we could be looking for some shorting opportunities once we get the green light signal. And where do we want to go if we do get um, this green light? Oops, wrong one. We want to go towards our extension. So this is going to be a relatively short trade. Short-term traders, let's hear it. And as actually what you guys can see here is some sort of pattern. Let me just pull it up for you guys. And that's the beauty about looking at charts for so long, is that you're able to easily start recognizing these patterns the more and more you start looking at charts. So this one is just basically saying we're going to make it to the neckline, and that's what we did actually. If we looked at the 4 hours, probably a little bit more accurate. Oh man, I didn't go to the there. We'll do 4 hours. Here we go. What the heck? So that's really interesting for us guys. If you guys are able to look at these charts more and more frequently, you'll be able to pick out patterns a lot easier. So this one, like I said, you hit it, likely gonna make it to the neckline. That's what happened. But because we're looking at that on the 4 hour, it's a good opportunity for us to actually buy now or sell now. And we could actually put our stop loss a little bit tighter, just because it's a little bit of a riskier trade. And once we get a good confirmation, I think it would be a safe sell for us at the moment for our short-term traders. Long-term traders, if we do end up breaking through this descending trend line, we can actually have the same thing with just a little bit different parameters. Ah, man. And it's actually telling us it's lining up with where that's at. So for now, this would be a good short-term trading opportunity. So let's just mark this one up real quick so we can just remember what we're looking at. With the TP, and this would be a 127 extension. So fib, we also have the candlestick structure or candlestick patterns. We broke the trend line, we broke structure, we have the patterns, we have the harmonics in the 4 hours. So that's why we're saying let's get on a buy, or excuse me, get on a short for this one. So, anyways, this is Euro NZ, guys. Just a quick update. We hit our stop loss from the last position, which was a couple of weeks ago, if not a month ago. And right now we broke through, so we might be looking for some shorts. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.